Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Mike KOLLIN at crackedfemale.code.com. My book is on sale, Cracked Female Code, for $29 right now, normally $60. Okay, so let's get right into this video. So here's what this video is going to be about. The reason being is because this channel is not going to be like your quick TikTok, short YouTube video. I might do some shorts, but here's the deal. A lot of guys, when they come to me, they've already gone to pickup artist courses. They've traveled different parts of the country. Some have traveled the world to go to this training, that training, and they still aren't getting any results. Here's why. Number one, those people are not teaching you anything about the right brain. That's most important if you want to understand women, love women, pick up on women, seduce women, and have a happy wife and a happy life. Because it's a different system. They're teaching you rules, structure, and organization, which is all logical left brain stuff, okay? So I'm not teaching you that. So I'm not going to teach you step 1, step 2, step 3. I'm going to teach you how to access your right brain. Now, the reason why this course is so different is I'm what's called a certified neuro-linguistic programming trainer. I'm an NLP trainer. The last training is a 5-week training where you learn how to give presentations specifically designed to teach different people in different ways that their brain learns. Every day we do 4 to 5 presentation speeches about 20 to 30 minutes long. They teach us a couple techniques and we have to do that within the presentation. Then after that, we have an hour training in class. We learn a couple more techniques. The next presentation, we have to add those in. It's 5 weeks of doing this. The entire design is, how do we teach this in a way that your personal specific brain learns and understands? Because everyone has different learning modalities. Now, that's just one segment. Another segment is, okay, a lot of you guys have noticed my videos are longer because I'm using metaphors and examples, okay? So metaphors, stories, and examples are how you get your unconscious mind to actually understand it. Now, logical mental will just tell me what to do. Like, go pick up on a girl. There you go. Go get rich. There you go. Done. You got 2 doctorate degrees now. You don't understand what the fuck's going on. When I can explain these things in these ways, now how I know is because I've been doing it for 30 years. When clients walk out, I'm telling you, here's what's going to happen. When you walk out the door after training with me, the world's going to change. Everything's going to look different. I don't mean a little bit, I mean massively, 180-degree turn. We are going to shift you in such a way that you perceive the world in a radically different perspective. All right? By using these Ericksonian hypnosis techniques to get your unconscious mind to understand and clearly see what I'm teaching you, to use metaphors, stories, examples, we get your unconscious mind to run it and condition it through so it becomes unconscious and automatic. Okay, here's one example. One of the things clients will tell me after they've taken my trainings is, it's the weirdest, and they'll call me about a month or 2 months later, say it's the weirdest thing in the world. I'm like, I'm doing these techniques without consciously doing them. It's like automatic. I'm like, yes, because the reason why I use stories, metaphors, and examples is to condition that into your system, to program it in to where it becomes automatic. If you're having to use your thinking brain, you're going to scare every woman off. If you have to memorize things, that's all left brain logical. We have to get you to open up to where it becomes an automatic part of who you are. So you start using these things and almost you're like, whoa, did I just say that? Wow, I didn't even realize I had that pattern memorized. That's the difference, guys. If you want to learn how to do this, go to crackedfemalecode.com, read my book, Cracked Female Code, first, and then hire me. I highly recommend you get the ultimate package. It has all my books. It also has the intro to the hidden language, which we're going to go in depth in the course. You get an 1.5-hour consultation. You can ask me any question you want after you read the book, Cracked Female Code. Normally it's $225. It's on sale right now for $77. Go to crackedfemalecode.com right now. Click subscribe, click the like button, go ahead and make a comment, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.